So the first thing you want to do is you simply just want to open up the Uber app. You can see right here, once you do this, you simply want to go to the normal option where the where to is. And you can see right here all of the different options. In this case, if I want to go to Whole Foods, I'm going to click on that. And you can basically see all of the ride fares like so. Now to call a car seat, it does cost $10 extra, and you can see if we swipe up just on the screen like so. Depending on the location that you currently live in, car seats not available across every single state, country for Uber at the current moment. And at the time of this recording, it's only available in California, like LA and New York City. It might be available in Austin, but you can see right here if we scroll down, it will show you all of the different fares, and it should look something like this if you do live in one of these cities that does allow you to call an Uber with a car seat. But if you're like me, I currently don't live in a city that allows Uber with a car seat, and the best thing you can do is you can always just bring a car seat with you. If you can't afford a car seat, what you can do is you can actually just get one from like a thrift store. They're really cheap. Small child, and you can basically just put it in the backseat of an Uber because it's not technically legal for a 4-year-old, let's just say, to actually ride an Uber without a car seat. So yeah, you can always bring one, or if you need multiple, you can always bring multiple. But if you live in one of the cities that allows car seats, you'll see it on this page like so. But yeah, if you found this helpful, please consider leaving a like down below. I really hope this helped a little bit, even if you didn't get the exact answer you were looking for. And yeah, have a great day.